Hello everyone and welcome back to JS Code. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can change the MAC address of your network card using two different methods. So first of all, let's check our MAC address. You type in the command ifconfig and here ether is the MAC address. You can see 9822EF5939BA. So now how you can change it? First of all, the manual mode. To change it, first of all, use a super user mode and I will change it to 100. Now type in the command ifconfig WLP3S0 down, which is the name of your wireless card. Now ifconfig WLP3S0 HW ether and now what I have done, type in the MAC address you want to change manual to and press enter. Now again ifconfig WLP3S0 up and press enter. Now if we do ifconfig again, you can see that our MAC address is changed. So make sure you enter a really legal MAC address, that is not anything random, that is a pure hexadecimal characters, and the first 6 characters will these 6 characters will determine the manufacturer. So make sure you use these correctly, else your internet will not work. Now using the tool called macchanger, changer -R for random and press enter. Sorry, again -R and device is WLP3S0, that is for which device you want to change the MAC address, and press enter. Now okay, there is one slight error. IF, you need to change it, turn the network card off again. So type in WLP3S0 down and now we do this and we see we get our new MAC. So this is how you change your MAC address using two different ways. The first is the manual mode and the other is the using macchanger tool. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for